One of the reasons I also picked Miles is because they had the video lectures by Varun sir. So that is something I wanted because it feels like you're in a classroom. So his delivery, his method of teaching is something that I could identify with. It was familiar and it's something that I'm comfortable with. It was a classroom environment despite not being in a classroom environment. My name is Alster Lobo. My qualifications are I'm a CPA and a CMA. I've also done my Bachelor's of Commerce from Bangalore. I am currently working with Nissan Chennai as an internal audit manager. And my past also includes some time with Deloitte India. What Varun sir would do was tell you to highlight certain aspects of, the very structured books and the very to the point bulleted items that were there in those books. You know exactly what to focus on when you're trying to revise stuff. Okay, this is highlighted. That means I need to understand this concept clearly. So that helps in that sense that you highlight and you focus on those topics. Especially, I must reiterate, this is when you're revising, it helps you go through those key items. It gives you that confidence to sit in for interviews as well, that okay, I've demonstrated on paper that my concepts are good and I'm still ready to work. Because a lot of people are skeptical to pick someone who's not been working professionally for a gap. So I needed to prove that I finished an exam in 3 months. I would tell them that this is what I did to demonstrate that I'm professionally competent to be able to come back and work.